Hello, this is Ralph from Rapid Holding Systems, bringing you another video about some of the tooling we sell. For those of you that aren't familiar with our channel, we make a lot of videos about CNC tools, EDM tools, wire EDM. So basically a lot of manufacturing work holding tools for your machines. If you like that, please subscribe to our channel, go down below, ask any questions you like. We love our customer support. We'll do what we can to answer them. But if you're a CNC EDM geek like me, you'll probably subscribe and love to our channel. This particular piece I have in front of me today it's a chuck that was developed for the powdered metallurgy industry. So what this particular one is, it's a pneumatic chuck. So you have your air inlet and outlet, and which releases the valves for your spigot. The top is compatible with the System 3R pallet configuration, so your pallet locks in on the 4 datums. What's weird about this chuck is it's for pressing powdered metal. So you would mount this chuck in your pressing machine, and for this particular customer, they make carbide inserts. So those of you familiar with CNC, know about carbide inserts. So carbide is actually a pressed metal, kind of like your brake pads would be in your car, things like that. So the carbide, to make them, you would press them into molds. So with this chuck, you can put this in your pressing machine to make the carbide, and it's capable of withstanding 30 tons of pressure, which is 60,000 pounds. So just a crazy amount of force. It's really hard to imagine. But so that's what this chuck is for. It's for the precision metal industry to compress basically metals. So for people in that industry, it's kind of a really niche product, but it is a pneumatic chuck for that industry that we do make. So any questions, let us know down below. We'd love to answer them. Subscribe to our channel. Love to make these videos for you guys. Thanks.